Hit me up on a late night. I've been driving to the west side.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is another clothing haul, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys because finally S.Deer reached out to me and collaborated with me, and for today's video I have a lot of good quality, premium quality pieces of clothing that I will be sharing with you guys. So if you want to see them, then please keep on watching. So let's start off with the first one, and the first item that I got from them is this blouse that I am wearing, and this one is a black formal, semi-formal-ish na blouse. I really like that it has that puffiness kind of vibe, kaya I didn't mind to alter it already. It's like an elevated basic type of clothing. You can really mix match with a lot of clothing pieces, and I like the design na meron siyang buttons, and this one is like a 2-in-1 kind of clothing piece. You can wear it as is na parang meron siyang collar right here, and also you can also wear it na parang medyo pa turtleneck-ish siya. So it's kind of giving me a high fashion kind of vibe. I like wearing it like this one, para medyo mas casual, semi-formal-ish yung vibe niya. Perfect na perfect for those people who goes to the office, pwede rin siyang pang school. One of my favorite na kinuha ko din sa collection nila. I really like it. Actually, magkadugtong to. I feel like pag nagsasawa na ako na nakakabit siya sa t-shirt, definitely I will alter it myself and gagawin ko tong tube top, and ganyan siya. It's like a peplum kind of top. It's a little bit pricey because you look at the quality. It's super nice. I don't know how to explain the fabric, but it has a little bit of sheen on it na medyo may pagka parang metallic vibes. I like the color combination. You guys know how obsessed I am with black, like silver, or like definitely the futuristic kind of vibe. That's why I got this one as well. So ayan, maraming ways nyo tong masusuot. Pwedeng with a long skirt, pwedeng with a jeans, pwedeng with a skirt. I highly recommend this top. It's giving me like a statement kind of clothing. That's why I got it as well. Up next naman is another clothing piece na very staple sa wardrobe natin, which is a white na long sleeves. This one caught my attention, kaya kinuha ko siya. It's because it has slit on the side. So definitely I will be wearing this one with a black na pencil skirt. Sobrang flattering tignan niya because the contrast of the color. It also has this kind of like drape design on it na very elegant, very chic, and very unique in style. I really like it. And the material is a little bit sheer as well, but I do recommend that you wear like nude tops below. I wanted to get more dresses from their collection. I wanted to test out the quality of their dresses, and it did not disappoint me at all. So I have here is like an army green type of dress. I really like this one because it's very unique as well. Though medyo nagka-problema lang ako in terms of sizing because I'm very petite, and these kinds of clothing pieces medyo pang American size siya. Yung small nila parang kind of like medium para sa akin, ganon. So definitely I will be altering it myself. So yung papakita ko na try on, wala akong gagalawin na or i-alter sa mga clothing pieces, as is what it is, kung ano yung nakuha ko sila. It has this like mesh material, like an apple green in material, and of course meron siyang off shoulders, and the length is quite pretty long, very conservative, and I like that the mesh really gave that kind of pa-balloon effect dun sa pinaka-dress niya. There's not much I could say yet, makikita nyo na lang to try on. Up next naman is another dress, and this one gave me a very summery kind of vibe. And what I love about their dresses is that even though the sizing is a little bit big on me, they have built-in na mga belts so that you can cinch it to your waist depending on your size or preference. So yun naman yung good thing about them, is that it really depends on you kung gusto nyo lang talaga ipa-alter to your size. But for me, I feel like yung mga ganitong klase ng dresses na, ayan, may built-in na siya na belt all around para ma-cinch in yung pinaka-waist niya. That's a plus point for me. Green and pink, sobrang very cottagecore yung vibe niya. At the same time, soft girl yung vibe. And I feel like I've been really loving the dark tones, and makikita nyo yun sa mga IG feed ko. So now I'm like trying a little bit of colors naman. putting back colors into my wardrobe. So, ayan, it's very lengthy as well. So, definitely, kung gusto kong maging extra somewhere, pwede ko tong suotin for like church. Actually, pwede rin siyang pang school, but on those extra days lang naman na wala masyadong gagawin, pwede naman. So, ayan. Up next naman is another dress, and this one is in the color like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a teal or like a blue, muted blue na grayish na yung vibe niya sa akin, but it's more of like the blue tones parang siya. And I don't know how to call this fabric. It has double lining, guys, and of course meron naman siyang belt na kasama so that you can cinch in your waist depending to your size, and I really like it. Very conservative yung mga dresses nila. This is not your typical kinds of clothing na, alam mo yun, yung lagi ko pinapakita sa channel ko na very sexy and very hubadera type of clothing. I feel like we're leaning on towards the conservative vibe, and it also has this kind of mini off shoulder going on right here, which I super like. So definitely I will be wearing this, especially if I feel extra. I have another dress in here. Ito medyo mas darker na siya as compared to this one, and this one is more on the grayer side na talaga siya. And same with this dress na floral pink and green. Meron siyang built-in na belt right here na masicinch in nyo siya. Built-in ribbon rather na parang belt para macinch in yung waist. And I love that the puff sleeves are really giving. Kita nyo sobrang bongga ng pagka-puff niya. I feel like i-alter ko na lang ng onte dito sa ano para alam niyo yun, ma-emphasize talaga yung puffiness. Kasi pag sininch in ko yung nandito, ayan, ma-emphasize talaga yung pagka-puffiness niya. So, ayan, meron siyang collar and meron siyang mga buttons and very lengthy rin yung pinaka-dress niya. So, I don't mind wearing this on those days na kailangan kong mag-dress sa school, sa church, or what. Very conservative, and I highly recommend it. Same with the other dresses, talagang double lining tong mga clothing pieces na to. So yeah, I really like it na finally I have those kind of like conservative dresses naman sa wardrobe ko. But at the same time, I want to feel elegant, cute, and classy. So these are the dresses that I would really recommend. The collection wouldn't be complete without a black dress. Of course, medyo may pagka cottagecore yung vibe na to dahil ang daming puff sleeves na pinapakita ko sa inyo. This one naman is in the color black, though kita nyo naman medyo malaki yung mga sizing nila, but magagawa natin ng paraan yan, madali yung ma-alter, and meron siyang mga kasamang built-in na parang mga pang cinch ng waist nyo, and it has this butterfly designs all over it. I really like it, and meron din siyang inner lining on the inside. I tell you guys, sa makikita nyo sa try-on, very lengthy yung mga dresses nila. So, I would really recommend this for those girls na gusto nyo ng very conservative, yet very classy na mga dresses. This is the perfect one for you. And ayan, meron siyang mga puff sleeve going on right there. Meron na naman siyang mesh na kasama. I believe I got these dresses from their summer or like spring collection, and then these ones are from the casual na collection nila. Same as this one, the office wear. So, maraming collections from the website that you can choose from. They have for like winter collection, spring collection, autumn, and so on and so forth. You can check it out. The link is down in the description box, guys. As always, love wearing black, especially on those days that I feel like I don't know what I will be wearing, but I want to feel presentable. Go for color black. This one is kind of a little bit more extra compared to the other ones, but this is one of my favorites as well because 2-in-1 siya na dress na nade-detach siya. So, this one is a long-ass glittery dress, and yes, nade-detach po itong pinaka parang glitter na mesh na dress niya at the front. Ayan, nade-detach yan. The first thing came into my mind when I saw this one na nade-detach siya, definitely pwede siyang pang cover up sa mga bikinis. Kasi, as in, sobrang see-through na black na mesh lang siya. So, imagine, me wearing this one to the beach na may glitter, tapos naka-black bikini lang ako underneath. Sobrang perfect. And as well as, pwede niyo siyang masuot with this kind of dress. Yung dress niya underneath is like a plaid pattern, like black and white plaid pattern, but definitely I will be altering it to my size kasi medyo malaki siya. I want it to be more like fitted para kita yung pinaka-shape ng body ko, tapos meron siyang second layer na ganitong dress. So, I really like it. To be honest, I didn't expect it na may glitter siya kasi hindi ko masyado makita yung parang glittery effect niya dun sa website. But when I got it, grabe, sobrang cute, sobrang nice niya. And it turned out to be one of my favorite dito sa mga nakuha ko sa collection nila. I really risked in picking this dress because the only size left is medium. And sabi ko, sige, I will do my best to alter it kahit na alam kong malaki yung darating sa akin because I like the design. Alam naman natin na very trendy right now yung mga Sofia Richie vibe kind of clothing. Yung very modest, very conservative, very minimalist, or like very Kelsey Merritt kind of vibe. This is the dress, and this one is a blazer na dress. Ayan siya. Parang vest, black vest na blazer dress kind of vibe. I don't know what you call this one. Basta, gets nyo na yan, guys. Plain lang siya. But, nalagyan siya ng ganitong kind of design. Ayan, meron siyang belt na kasama. But, guys, hindi nga talaga, malaki nga talaga yung sizing nito. Makikita nyo mamaya pag tinry on ko. But, probably, I will be altering this one. Magagawa natin ng paraan yan. So, yeah. So, that's it for our clothing haul, our S.Deer clothing haul. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I really do hope you liked all my selections. And if you did, please do check it out on my description box. Lahat ng links and the link to the website nasa baba. And of course, please do not forget to support my small business, which is Decent Fragrances. And also my pre-loved shop. Malay nyo guys, one of the clothing pieces right here, who knows, maybe 1 to 2 weeks after, malay nyo ilagay ko na siya sa mga pre-love clothing ko. I also have a Shopee shop ng mga pre-love clothing ko. And very soon, I will be dropping mga brand new Shein clothing pieces dun sa pinaka Shopee shop ko ng pre-love clothing ko. So, make sure to check it out and stay tuned lang kayo guys kasi marami pa akong i-release na mga good quality contents dito sa channel ko. We're back at it guys with the hauls and everything. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell button to get you notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!